Today's video topic name is conditionals and unconditional check exception and uncheck exception in exception handling. So let's start our today's topic. Before explain the check and uncheck exception, you can discuss about the exception handling, because the check and uncheck exception is the type of exception handling. So let's start our discuss about the exception. The exception is the unsaturized situation that occur at the program. The exception is occur at the program unsaturation. What will the exception? What are the exception is handled? So exception handling. The exception handling is the runtime occur program. The exception handling is the exception occurs at the runtime of the program is called as exception handling. In exception handling exception handling is nothing but the object provide the information about the exception. In exception handling, the system message convert to the user message and display about the exception. Display about the exception. In exception handling, the GVM can about the transferring the information of the exception handling. The in exception handling the in exception handling uses the throwable exception in define the throwable keyword about the exception handling. In exception handling, there are multiple terms using like throws, catch, try block, etc. They are using exception handling. In exception handling, there are consist of two exception types. First one is check exception and second one is uncheck exception. Then we discuss about the check exception. The check exception is the occurring the check exception the subclass of the in this program I call the subclass of the execution occurs at the occurring in the check subclass of the execution. The check exception occur at the subclass of the check exception. When compiler execution of the before the check exception occurs, the check exception is not occur in the program, then the program will not compile. Then the compile not compiling the program, it will terminate abandoning the code. If the compiler compiling the execution of the check exception, then the program successfully done in our check exception. The check exception is the main part of the check exception. The check exception can be check the execution of the code before the compiling of the program, and before the compiling of the program, and then message convert to the message sent to the compiler, and the program can be execution. The example of the check exception is the IO exception and SQL exception. The second one is uncheck exception. In uncheck exception, the uncheck exception can be defined as the subclasses of the program. In uncheck exception, it does not force to the compiler before execution of the program. In uncheck exception, the compiler do not handle to force to compiler before execution of the program. In uncheck exception is the uncheck exception is not compiling the program. It is called as the throw. When you create the thrown exception, the uncheck exception can be handled. In uncheck exception is the type of the program. It can be defined as the multiple defined as the execution of the program. So execution of the program. So in this check exception and uncheck exception are the very important point in the exception handling, because check and uncheck exception is defined the type type of the exception and exception occurs at the when exception are coming at the time of program in exception handling. In this the check and uncheck exception. So our today's video topic is check and uncheck are finished. Finished the uncheck and uncheck is the type of the exception handling. So I will meet on our next video topic. Thank you so much.